This parcel of roughly rubbed pieces has 10 pieces and a total of 43 carats. And if you're not too sure about cutting from the complete rough, these will help you out a lot. All you really need to do is chase the colour bars a little bit better and polish the tops. So magic colour, look at that, that's beautiful colour. All we have to do is shape them a little bit more and go for a nice stone. So similar with this one. This one has a skin on the outside which you just take off and you'll see more colour underneath. Quite a large piece. You could Dremel that sand out and make one large piece, or you could trim it in or make 2 stones or even 3 stones. Nice crystal. Take that skin off the top. You get a nice orange pink stone underneath. This one's almost been fully rubbed. It's got some nice red blue in it. Again, the skin needs to come off that one. This one also has got skin on it, and the better colour is inside. And lucky last, this piece is quite thin. It's very bright colour, but you can see inside there, there's better colour again. And that's it.